Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 2nd, 2026. It's been one rainy week and we're not done with the rain yet. Looks like maybe next week the rain will let up, hopefully. So in between the rain, I've been coming out here and trying, we've probably gotten over 3 inches now. I know last time I checked early yesterday, we were like 2.7 inches, so we're probably over 3 inches now. And so it's wet around here, quite a mess. But yesterday, in between some of the rain, I came out here and started working on digging up a lot of the bare root raspberry plants here. These are heritage red raspberry plants. I had my granddaughter Lori come over and prune those. This was her first time pruning, so not bad. So what I'm doing are the ones, so raspberry plants, they tend to send out runners and they'll go in any direction. And so I dug up most of those. You may be able to see way up at the end, there's still some more that have got to come up. I did a little bit at both of these sides, but as you can see, I've got quite a few more to come out and all. And so that's one of it, and I ended up cleaning weeds out of the healing in beds. And so a healing in bed is where we take plants that we've grown and we start off as whatever year they are. Like some plants that we start from seed. So a little over a year ago, we started hazelnuts, and we grew those in this IBC tote right here. And then this time last year, we took all of the hazelnuts that were in here, just hazelnut plants like this. So these are their first year growth. Then we heal them in, and they don't have this as much spacing as this, because we'll group them together like in groups of 10 and put those into the soil. And I'll make a video about some of our healed in plants so that we can sell them and all. That's what we do. So there's tons of stuff to do around here, but today I got to go clean up some trees that have gone over some of the main roadways and all. Just do some cutting up and that sort of thing as well. So what you'll see now is some of me working out here, digging up the bare root raspberry plants. And you see the process that we go through. I put them in buckets and I put them in the back of Doge. And then I bring them out back and heal them into the soil pile for right now, because all our buildings are filled up. We just don't have room to do the things we normally would do each year. And of course, this is typical, the raininess in the spring times here. So it's challenging. But anyways, we will make everything work out in the long run. So that's what you're going to see. You're going to see some video of me working in the eastern garden plot, digging up some of the bare root raspberry plants. And when we do sell those, it's really important. We want to cut them off somewhere between 6 and 10 inches, no longer than 12 inches, because we don't want a lot of those buds opening up and doing more transpiration, loss of water through the leaf surface, requiring more energy from the root structure. So, and that's something we always tell people when they're picking up their plants and all. Anyways, I'm gonna get started now. Here we go.
The woods are quiet. The lake holds its breath. Shadows dance softly in the twilight's depth. No one is watching, no one to judge. Just the whispering leaves and the water's gentle lunge. The creek hums a tune only I can hear, a melody of calm that draws me near. Among the trees I find my place, a refuge from the world, a slower pace. Here in the wild I am free, no expectations, just being me. The world fades away, and I understand. Life feels whole in the touch of land. Beavers build silently, birds call in flight. The stars rise gently, piercing the night. I walk through the swamp, the mud and the fern. Each step a lesson, each turn a return. No need to perform, no need to be, just the rhythm of nature surrounding me. In every rustle, in every wave, I find the courage that life couldn't take. Here in the wild I am free, no expectations, just being me. The world fades away, and I understand. Life feels whole in the touch of land. The world outside can be cruel and loud, but here I'm hidden beneath the clouds. The quiet teaches more than words ever could. The forest holds me, I know I should. Here in the wild I am free, no expectations, just being me. The world fades away, and I understand. Life feels whole in the touch of land. Life feels whole in the touch of land. I was a kid in the back of the room, quiet as dust in the afternoon. Teachers shaking their heads at me like I was something I'd never be. Square peg kid in a round world spin, never quite knew where I fit in. Words on paper looked like a storm, and I felt lost in a different form. But somewhere deep where nobody sees, a small voice whispered quietly, the day I believed in me was the day the world turned differently. Every step, every little win built the man I'm living in. All those years I couldn't see the strength that was inside of me, but one small spark set my soul free the day I believed in me. Calloused hands and a stubborn will, working jobs on the factory hill. learning lessons the hard way through, finding things I could actually do. Every board that I cut just right, every engine I brought to life, every mile that I walked alone built a road I could call my home. And slowly the mirror began to show someone stronger than I'd known. The day I believed in me was the day the world turned differently. Every step, every little win built the man I'm living in. All those years I couldn't see the strength that was inside of me, but one small spark set my soul free the day I believed in me. Now I know what that boy went through. Every scar helped the roots break through. Every doubt that they threw my way only taught me how to stay. And the man staring back today is the proof that the boy found his way. The day I believed in me was the day my eyes could finally see all the dreams buried deep within, waiting for the chance to begin. Every step of the journey you'll see was shaping the man to be. And the world opened endlessly. The day I believed in me. So if you're that kid they can't quite see, hold on tight to what you can be. Sometimes the world takes time to see. The day you start believing in you. I was just a boy with scraped up knees, building ramps and dreams in the summer breeze. Bikes from the dump, I pieced them together, painted them bright, I made them better. Night crawlers in a jar, leeches from the creek. A few dollars earned, but the lessons were deep. Every little hustle, every scrape and fall taught me I could rise above it all. I was on my own, carving out my way, learning how to fight, learning how to stay. Through the noise, through the doubt, through the things unknown, I built my life strong, and I did it on my own. Dad was gone, Mom was away, and I had to stand. With a world so heavy, I learned to command. The woods were my refuge, the lake my friend. Nature didn't judge, didn't question, didn't bend. I'd watch the birds, the beavers, the creek. In their quiet ways I found the strength I'd seek. The square peg I was never fit the mold, but the fire inside me turned weakness to gold. I was on my own, carving out my way, learning how to fight, learning how to stay. Through the noise, through the doubt, through the things unknown, I built my life strong, and I did it on my own. From the factory floors to midnight shifts, every calloused hand, every gift I'd lift, I learned to move, I learned to grow, even when no one told me so. I was on my own, carving out my way, learning how to fight, learning how to stay. Through the noise, through the doubt, through the things unknown, I built my life strong, and I did it on my own. Yes, I built my life strong, I did it on